If we want to remove the background of a photo to make catalogs or simply because we did not like it. Blend is an application created to remove backgrounds and edit images. Once we open the application by clicking on the plus icon, we can take a photo or import it. It will automatically erase the background and suggest colored backgrounds or backgrounds with the most appropriate context for the product we are using, these with different sizes to be used in social media stories, infographics, among others. Once we have chosen the background we want, it will allow us to edit it, whether it is the image, the background color, the text, the stickers and more. In the lower left corner, we can visualize all our designs and edit them whenever we want.